Today YouTube is going to compete. On the one side there is a YouTube and on the other side there is a WinTube. On YouTube you have to create a channel, create a video, create a thumbnail and also need to do SEO. After this there is a possibility to start earning. But on WinTube you have no need to create a channel, no video, no thumbnail and now also do SEO. But you can earn very easily $5 to $10 by watching video on WinTube. If you don't have any equipment to make a video and you also don't know how to upload video on any platform and can't select the right category and can't make daily video, and then no problem, just watch video and start earning on your mobile. Of course you have mobile phone and also have facility of internet, then why you don't earn money way I told you. I know you want to earn $2 to $5 daily. If you want to earn money on this platform, let's move to the detail of video. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Noor. Very warm welcome in my channel Earn with Noor. Today in this video we discuss how we earn $2 to $5 daily to watching video any platform. Today I'm discuss with you about WinTube. This is the platform. There you just log in your ID and start watching 30 to 40 second video and start your earning. It is also very authentic, trusted and valid platform. There you just no need to worry about it is fake or scam. Today I'm discuss with you in detail how you log in this website and how you watching video on this website and how you start earning. Millionaire people are also working and watching video on this platform and also earning good amount of money. I think I'm never waste your more time. We go to computer screen and see how it starts. If till yet you never subscribe my channel first and press bell icon. So friend, let's go on computer screen and see how it starts. So friend, now we are on computer screen and here we need to open Google. I'm open here Google. So now open Google and here we need to our required website, required platform. Our required website is WinTube, WINTUB, WinTube. I'm click on WinTube. So we click on the top of the page. So WinTube watch paid video online. So friend, this is the platform. There we need to start our working and there we start our earning. So it is the website. We go top to bottom on this website. So how we start on working in this website and how we start working on this website. Simply on the right side of the page there we show 4 options: home, sign up, sign in and about us. If we are new user, then we click on sign up. So friend, we need to write our first name, and second name. So birth date, I'm right here my birth date. So friend, after here we need to click on month and then we click on our date. Then you need to select your gender. If you male, click on male. If you female, and click on female. So email address, you need to write here email address and then password. So click on I'm not a robot. So motorbike. So click on create account simply and click on create account. So friend, now we log in on this website and here we need to start our working. So friend, to video, if you see the left side of this page, they ask video 2 rate is $0.32 and video 3 is $0.47 and video 4 is rate is 0.520 and video 5 is if you watch one video then they give you 0.61. If you watch two video then they add 0.32 in your account. If you see three video then they add $0.47 in your account. So friend, now here they show us total views. Till yet we have not watched any video, that why we show total views 0 and watch balance is $5 and account balance is $5. This $5 is already they gives us, and here we need to watch another video. So friend, I'm click on the another video and simply we watched for 34-second video. This is also 34-second video. Simply we need only 34-second video watch. This is very easy and simple task and work on WinTube. So it is very authentic, trusted and valid website, though never worried about how to start working on. So after completing, you click on complete. So friends, you need to refresh your successfully completed. You are received $0.47. If you click on refresh, so hopefully we receive our first video bonus, first video earning. So first we here our balance is $5. Now we are increase this balance and we got $5.40. So if we click another video, then we click another video. So click simply play button on this video and this video now start again. So this is also 34-second video. So after completing this video, we again got more dollar to rewarding watching this video. So friend, we need to just 34-second wait on here. So after completing this video, we again, so when it completed, to click on complete and simply you need to see here successfully complete. You are received $0.52. Again we click on refresh. No friend, $5.99 we show in our account. Today you need to watch almost 5 video you need to watch every day, and every day you earn $5 to $7 every day. So if we talk about the how we withdraw, and simply we click on withdraw. So friend, PayPal, WebMoney, Western Union, Payoneer. So friend, almost all over the world these 4 methods of withdrawals are available in every country of the world. So PayPal, WebMoney and Payoneer and Western Union. If you withdraw, so the Western Union is limit is $150 and PayPal limit is $100 and WebMoney is limit is $100 and Payoneer is $100. It is very simple and very easy task. You need to watch 5 video daily and earn $5 to $7 per day. Friend, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then share my video with friends and subscribe my channel. Next video, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.